When a hurricane approaches, securing your home is paramount. Expert survivalist Lisa emphasizes the importance of reinforcing windows and doors with plywood to prevent breakage. Additionally, gathering emergency supplies like non-perishable food and water should be prioritized a week in advance. If evacuation is necessary, knowing your route and having a packed go bag can save vital time. She also advises creating a communication plan with loved ones, ensuring everyone knows how to connect amidst chaos.